In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a donate button in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to go to the tools section on the right hand side here. Then if you go down a bit, you will see this button section here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the button widget page. From here, click on create widget free, and then you'll be taken down to the button template section. Now, as you can see on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different pre-made button templates they can choose from. Now, if you take a look at the different templates, you will see that none of them are in regards to making donations, but don't worry about that because we can actually customize the button and its functionality as well as design, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. For now, simply go ahead and choose the one that you like the most. In my case, I'm going to go for this one right here because I want it to be on the right hand side of my screen like this. Once you've selected the template that you want to go with, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where you can start customizing the donate button to our liking. The first thing you want to do here is change the action from follow on Pinterest to link to page. What that's going to do is it's going to take the person who clicks on this button to the donation page. So here, go ahead and add the relevant link. Then you can choose where they want them to open the donation page on a new tab or exit from your website and basically be taken to the donation page. Then at the bottom here, you have the button label. We can change this from Pinterest to donate, just like this in the Pinterest font, for example. Then you can also add some additional info right here if you wanted to. You can change the icon, or you can add an icon actually. Once you've done that, on the left hand side here, you will see design and position. These are all the different customizations here. They can take advantage of to further customize your donation button on Squarespace. So for example, here currently we have the color, it's set to red. We can make this blue if you wanted to. We can make it yellow, green, or whatever other color you want. Then you can obviously go ahead and also change the style. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different styles that you can choose from. You can change the button size, the font here. So at the moment it's set to this Pinterest font, but we can change that to this one as an example. So it's a little bit more not Pinterest related, should I say. Then you can also set advanced design here if you want to. And then you obviously custom CSS and JavaScript if that's relevant for you. In terms of position, if you want your button to be added to a specific part of your Squarespace website, then make sure you select the embedded option right here. If you want the button to float with the scroll as people scrolling through the website, then go for the floating position, and you can obviously change it to any of these positions right here. So you can see, you can basically decide where you want the button to be positioned, and then you can obviously just, use these sliders to further customize its position. But yeah, I'm not going to go for all the changes they can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. And once you're ready with customizing the donate button, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on add to website for free right here. Then you'll be taken to a new page, which is where we need to go and publish the widget. In the top right corner of the screen, click on publish, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what you need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're only just getting started, or if you don't expect that many donations to come through, then you can go for this plan. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as get more than one widget on your Squarespace website from Elfsight, or you want to get more than 200 views per month on your donate button, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to this page where you can go ahead and copy the code for your donate button. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Squarespace website here. I'm going to click on edit to get into the actual editor. Then from here, if you've chosen your button to be floating like mine, where it sits on the side of the page, for example, and it follows the user with the scroll, then you can add it to any section you want. So from here, simply go to any section, like I said, click on that block in the top left corner, type in code right here, click on code, then simply double click on this code block right here. Make sure the mode is set to HTML, delete this, and then simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight, Give it a couple of seconds and then you will see the donation button here in a second. We actually need to exit out of the editor by saving this and exiting. If you've chosen the embed option, what you want to do is be very careful where you put this, because this will directly impact where your donation button is going to sit. So for example, if you want your donation button to sit right here on this side, make sure you position it here, otherwise it's going to sit here. But in that case, it doesn't matter where this block is, because our donation button is preset in Elfsight to sit here on the right hand side of the screen. And here is my donate button on the right hand side of the screen. As you can see, it follows through with my scrolling. I actually went back and made some visual changes to it. But yeah, as you can see, it's fully interactive and it works. If I click on this, it will take me to the relevant page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a donate button in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.